a light on a brighter energy future. And joining us now is Wyatt Everhart, meteorologist and advisor with Solar Energy World. So good to see you, Wyatt.
Eileen, great to be back with you here on ABC7.
All right. Well, as a fellow meteorologist, I mean, you know, this hurricane season has been like none other. I mean, widespread power outages from Florida to the Carolinas, even, you know, to parts of Virginia. Let's talk about backup power for homeowners that lost electricity and how solar power is going to help.
Yeah, Eileen, it's a huge topic, right? I mean, in such a powerhouse hurricane season that we're not even done with yet. Yeah. And we have to ask ourselves what's coming next season as well if we're a homeowner, right? We want to be ready for that outage, that potentially prolonged outage that storms like Helene, which ran up the East Coast from Florida all the way into Virginia, and created millions of power outages, sometimes for days, even weeks. How can we be prepared for those kinds of storms? And we know even back when, Superstorm Sandy, you know, the north part of the country is not immune, New Jersey, Maryland, Delaware. So the bottom line is with the Solar Energy World energy system combined with battery backup, you know, 1, 2, sometimes 3 different battery walls, depending how much backup power you want, you're able to basically storm-proof yourself. This is a situation where now, even in the wake of a storm, and these panels are rated to hurricane force winds by code, we have customers down in the Sunshine State that have done very well in the wake of storms like Milton and Helene because they had the ability to not just weather the storm, but during that prolonged outage afterward, guess what? They had backup energy that recharged every day the sun was out after the storm. There was no fears like a generator. Generators have their place, but there was no fears about exhaust fumes, you know, continuous noise, and also we know that the generators possibly could run out of gas. We don't run out of gas with batteries because we have the sunshine. Yeah,
exactly. I think a lot of people, you know, this is top of mind. How can people at least start, you know, looking into it and seeing if it's a good fit for their home?
Yeah, great thing to do is just give us a quick call, 877-SOLAR-TV, or you can head to our website, solarenergyworld.com. All the information there to book your free analysis.
Thanks so much, Wyatt.
Thank you.